Okay, so I took out the old fuel pump. Besides the dirt, I think this is supposed to be connected. This is rusted to pieces. The pump, I heard it kick on. The bushings are destroyed. 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 The float fell off. Outside of the car, not in the tank. These wires are destroyed. Yeah, so. And we have the new one here, because I anticipated it. Okay, it comes with a seal, instructions. The pump. The seal is nice. Okay. Ooh, I need a sock as well. Yeah, there's no sock on this, just realized. And the float. My gosh, I can't believe it was so bad. I had gas in it, I'm not draining the tank though. I don't have time for that. I'll drain it later, but. Just have the old float in there. I mean, it looks pretty freaking crusty. But I'm just gonna be careful because there's a lot of debris. Oh man. Oof. Okay, put the new seal in. Before I do that, just be careful here. Okay. Just dump this outside real quick. Okay. Dang, man. Looks pretty bad. Oh God. Sticks. Okay. Well, these clamps are donezo. I'm gonna have to go buy some. Black is on the bottom, white is on the top. The white is the fuel level sender, and the black is the power. So I got my woodworking tool. Okay, so it is pressurized. I don't feel like cranking it while I pull the fuel fuse out to get rid of the excess fuel, which is what you're supposed to do. Okay. Alright, let me relax before I work this out too fast. Oof. Hold on here. Oh my gosh, this was like brand new. This is the old one. It's blasted straight through. Oh, actually just, okay, good stuff. How does it pop off? I have one more fuel sock, or a little fuel, internal fuel filter. Okay, let me just try and siphon this. And let me drain this one too. Let's get the light, pull it, full tuck this under. Let me get the hammer. Okay. So. Oh, okay. All right. Number two. All right, let's save this. Okay. A little more rust in here. I don't feel a rust. I don't feel any flakes underneath. Okay, my thigh's cramping up. So awkward to be back here. Okay. The other one was crapped up so bad. Okay, this is good. How did I get this out of here though? Oh gosh, holy crest. Oh goodness. But yeah, fuel tank should not look like that. Should not look like that either. Jeez. Okay, so we got it empty. Here's just like some remnants. There you go. Here's the view. That's just the back of it. It's like a little pit. And it's a little indent. And yeah, it was really murky. So get some shop towels and maybe some brake clean and just wipe it out. Yeah, there you go. Okay, that's good enough, I guess. Let's say that's adequate. All right, so you see the surrounding edges, which you can't really see. Ooh. Let's get one more. It's getting quite dry. All right, take off my glove. Now let's get the other side of the tank. I mean, let's just start off with this one. Where did I put my glove? All right. Oh, uh-oh. It's like there's a big pocket I didn't drain. Uh-oh. All right. Okay. All right. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yeah, this is no bueno. Let me try and get deep in the back, deep in the bowels of the gas tank. Okay, it's getting cleaner. Let's see, where's my light? I can check the condition.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Ready to see this whole fuel? Holy rooster. Oh my gosh, just be quiet. This shop vac was completely clean. Oh, man, you can just see all the trash. Okay. Man, that is ridiculous. Yeah, this looks really good. Like you can actually see what's going on. And then, yeah, I didn't even put enough for it to come over here yet. Okay. Starting to sweat. Okay, one came out. Whatever. Okay, we're just gonna blast it on there now. I tried my best to be gentle and negotiate. Pull it over. I don't know how this was supposed to lay. Maybe something like this. But, I mean, yeah, that looks good. Okay.